Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to Finacle 10 tutorial. I have already made a video through which you can easily understand, easily tell the customer balance, that is HACLINQ. But if somebody asking you how to know the average monthly balance, how to know the average quarterly balance, how to know the half yearly average balance, and how to know the yearly average balance also. So if somebody asking like that, you can easily tell. So let's see in this video what is the menu. So upper portion you have to type HABI, then click the go button. A page will open. Here you can see average balance inquiry. So basically ABI means average, A for average, B for balance, and I for inquiry, and menu is like that, HABI. Here you have to give the account ID, account number you have to give, and here the financial year is there, current year and previous financial year. So both you can easily know from this menu also. So here I have to type, I am just giving the account number and select the current options, current financial year options, and click the go button. Here you can see a page will come, average balance monthly. So from month 1 to month 12 it is given the average monthly balance, it is given, and here you can see average credit, average debit, and average account balance. So that is for the average monthly balance. Now if customer want to know average balance quarterly, here you can see, if you scroll down the page, here you can see, this is a full page. Average balance quarterly, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. Now question is why quarter 4 is 0? Because I am here giving the financial year of 2021. So basically it is 2021 to 31st March 2022. So quarter this quarter balance is not updated. So that's why it is showing quarter 1, quarter 2, and quarter 3. And half yearly 1 also you can see, half yearly 1 and half yearly 2. Half yearly 2, but here also half yearly 2 is not completed, so it is not showing. And average balance yearly, that also you can see. Here also year is not, financial year is not ended, so you will not able to see. So this is actually the financial year for 2021. Now if you want to see the previous financial year, so you have to select here, after giving the account number you have to select here the previous one, click the go button, a page will come. Here you can see the full data of the customer. Here you can notice the financial year is not 2021, it is a 2020. And here average monthly balance are given, you can easily see here monthly 1, 2, 3 like that, and monthly 2, as you are seeing that previous financial year, that's why 1 to 12 months average monthly balance you can easily see from this menu. Now if somebody asking you, no sir, I don't want to know the monthly balance, I want to know the quarterly average balance, that also you can see here, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, all the balances. Here you can see average credit also given, average balance, no sir, I want to know the half yearly average balance, that you also can give half year 1 and half year 2. And if anybody asking, sir, I want to know the yearly average balance, that also you can see here, year given, and average credit also given, that is 8647.26. So you can easily give the average monthly balance, average quarterly balance, average half yearly balance, and average yearly balance, current year as well as previous year. So friends, hope you like the video, and if you like the video then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you.